have y equals x minus 1. Negative x plus y equals 2. Okay, and for our first part, for method 1, we could put the equations in the slope-intercept form. And that form is y equals mx plus b. Okay. For our two equations, which we obviously have to put our second equation into slope-intercept form because our first one is already done for us. So in order to do that, what do we need to do to get our y on the left side by itself? Let's see, x minus 1. Okay, in order to get y by itself, what do we need to do? For y. Add x to both sides. So then what are we going to end up with? Okay, so in our first equation we have y equals x minus 1. So for method 1, what we want to do is compare our slope and our y-intercept. For the first one, our slope's equal. If we look on our, let's see, we want to make a little note over here because our slopes are the same. So we have the same slope. How about our y-intercept? They're different. So if we look at our graph that you guys wrote from your books, and we see that we have the same slope and a different y-intercept, what is our classification of the system? Yeah. So for your first example, if we use method 1, we would know that we have an inconsistent system because we have the same slope, but we have a different intercept. Okay. So for the other method, which is method 2, we are going to substitute. So our equation is y equals x minus 1 and negative x plus y equals 2. For this, since we already know what y is, we're going to plug y in here. So we'll have negative x in parentheses x minus 1 equals 2. So what are we going to do in order to solve for that? Distribute. Okay, so if we have negative x and we know there's no symbol here, we're going to add x. So what happens here? Cancels, so we have negative x equals 2. Is that true? Does negative 1 equal 2? No. So then we know that our answer is inconsistent. Okay, you guys are going to do check 1 and see what you guys come up with. If it's which classification you have. find out for the slope? Does it have the same slope or different slopes? Slopes or different slopes? Or they have the same slope. How about for the y-intercept? Is it same or are they different? Different, yeah. So what does that tell us about the system? If we look at our graph. Now we're going to go to example 2. For example 2, we have y equals 2x plus 1 and 2x minus y plus 1 equals 0. What do we want to do first? What form do we want them in? Slope intercept, yes. So we see that for the first one, it's already y equals 2x plus 1. So we need to do the second one. 2x minus y plus 1 equals 0. So what do we need to do to get this in the slope intercept form? How much will? Actually, if we add y, then it's going to cancel out. And we would have 2x plus 1 equals 0. Well, equals y, sorry. So even though it's split, it still is our mx plus b. So if we look at the two equations, what are our slopes? Are they the same or different? Okay, so we'll note that we have the same slope. Okay, and our y-intercept? The same. So then what do we know if we look at our graph? If we have the same slope and same y-intercept? Consistent. You guys try the check number 2. See what you come up with for that one. Put that one in slope intercept form, what did you guys find out? What about their slope? Is it the same? the y-intercept?
Same.
So if we look at our graph, what does it tell us?
It's empty.
Let's go to example 3. If you turn the page, we have an example A and example B. We have 2y equals x plus 2, and then negative 1/2 x plus y equals 2. Okay, in order to get this in slope form, what do we need to do first, for the first one? What do we need to do to get that one? Okay, and if we're dividing by 2, we divide both by 2. Okay, so what will we have then? This cancels. And what do we imagine in front of the x? Imaginary one. So it would be 1/2 x plus, so we divided by 2, that's 1. So we have our first equation, now we gotta move to the second one. So it's negative 1/2 x plus y equals 2. How do we get the y by itself? We add what to both sides? Okay, so for this side, it'll cancel out, so we come with y equals 1/2 x plus 2. Oh, wait. No, sorry. Okay, it's plus 1, sorry. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna